or gospel reflection. So in today's gospel, this is taken from John chapter 21 verses 15 to 19. And the first verse of this gospel reading goes like this. After Jesus had revealed himself to his disciples and eaten breakfast with them, then we know the story that he asked Peter or Simon on if he loves him or not. And then we know the story that Peter responded to him three times. Lord, you know that I love you. And likewise, Jesus responded by feed my sheep, tend my sheep, feed my lambs. But before this gospel verse, before the verse 15, brothers, when the disciples caught a large amount of fish, basically Jesus, in a way, asked them to have breakfast. And it's only implied in the gospel that Jesus cooked breakfast for the disciples. He prepared breakfast for them and he fed the disciples. He fed the disciples. That's why it says in the first verse that he revealed himself to them and then they have eaten breakfast. And then he asked Peter and he commissioned Peter to feed my lamb, to feed my sheep, to tend my sheep. I think this gospel reading calls us, brothers, that when God calls us or when God commissions us, He feeds us. He already fed us His grace. He already fed us His wisdom. He already fed us His strength. That when we respond to Him, we are already enabled. We are already enabled by His grace, by His strength, by His wisdom. We have what we need when we respond to Him because He already fed us. Just like the way He fed the disciples and the disciples responded to His call. When God is calling us to a mission, to a ministry, to a service, God has already fed us. He has already enabled us. He has already empowered us. And all we need to do is to be available for Him and to answer, Lord, you know I love you. You know I will respond to feed your sheep. You know I will respond to feed your lamb, to tend your sheep. Because, brothers, God has already fed us. He empowered us already. He has enabled us already. We just need to make ourselves available and live as His disciples. Amen?
Amen.
Amen. Thank you.
Amen.
Amen. Good.
Thanks, Ed.
Thanks, bro.